Do you want to adjust the text duration on your TikTok videos? You can easily set your text to appear and disappear at specific moments, helping you create cleaner edits and timed captions for your viewers. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To adjust the text duration on a TikTok video. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to record a new video or upload one from your device's gallery. Once your video is ready, tap the text icon in the menu on the right side of the screen. Type out the text you want to show on your video, choose your style, and tap Done in the top right corner. Now, tap directly on the text overlay on your screen. A small menu will pop up above the text. Tap on Set Duration. This will bring up a video preview along with a timeline slider at the bottom. Drag the handles on either side of the slider to set the exact start and end times for your text. You can press the play button to preview how it looks. Once you are happy with the timing, tap the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner. Your text duration is now saved. You can repeat this process for any additional text overlays you add to your video.